Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best folding table is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable pieces of furniture you can own, offering a practical solution for everything from impromptu dining and crafting sessions to outdoor gatherings and extra workspace. Whether you're dealing with limited space or need a reliable surface for various activities, a heavy-duty folding table provides unparalleled convenience and adaptability, transforming any area into a functional zone in seconds. Its ability to be stored away neatly when not in use makes it a smart choice for modern living, ensuring you always have extra room when you need it. Number 5. Keter Heavy-Duty Folding Workbench. Need a workspace in a hurry? This portable workbench sets up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for any project, big or small. Tackle your toughest jobs with confidence. Its spacious surface supports up to 1,000 pounds, and the integrated clamps keep your materials secure. From woodworking to miter saws, this table is incredibly versatile. Its quick folding system makes storage and transport a breeze. Built to last, this workbench is made from weather-resistant materials and sturdy aluminum legs. It won't rust, peel, or dent, ensuring reliable performance. For over 75 years, Keter has been designing innovative solutions to make your life easier. We create products inspired by how you live. What we like? Need a robust workspace that sets up in seconds? This offers incredible strength and durability for heavy-duty tasks. If you're a DIY enthusiast, woodworker, or need a reliable station on a job site, this is your go-to. What people say. The table is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The surface is durable and easy to clean. Number 4. Best Choice Product 6 Feet Folding Table. This table features an extra thick, easy-to-clean surface designed to hold a significant amount of weight, making it perfect for any gathering. Use it anywhere. It's ideal for outdoor parties and picnics, or as extra dining or display space for indoor events. Rest assured, its powder-coated steel legs, frame locks, and non-slip feet provide a stable and secure surface for all your needs. Designed for convenience, it folds easily and includes a handle, making it simple to transport or store when not in use. No assembly required. Just unfold it, lock the legs, and it's ready for immediate use, saving you time and effort. What we like? Looking for a versatile table that can handle a good amount of weight and is easy to take anywhere? This provides a strong, easy-to-clean surface and sturdy support. If you frequently host outdoor parties, picnics, or need a reliable serving table for indoor events, this is a great choice. What people say. This table is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The folding mechanism is easy to use and the table folds flat for storage. It's a great size for parties and gatherings, and it's also easy to clean. Number 3. Best Choice Product 6 Feet Folding Table, Black. This table features an extra thick, easy-to-clean surface designed to hold plenty of items. It boasts a significantly higher weight capacity than other options, ensuring durability for all your needs. Its adaptable design makes it ideal for any occasion, whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, a lively party, or an indoor gathering. Use it as a dining surface, a game table, or even for displays. Enjoy reliable stability thanks to the powder-coated steel legs and frame joint locks. Non-slip rubber feet also ensure it stays firmly in place throughout your event. Take it anywhere with ease. The foldable design includes a convenient side lock and handle, making it simple to transport or store compactly when not in use. No assembly required. Simply unfold it, lock the legs for stability, and it's ready to go. This table offers a generous 300 pounds weight capacity. What we like? Seeking a dependable and portable table for gatherings and events? This offers a robust, easy-to-clean surface with excellent weight capacity. If you love hosting outdoor cookouts, birthday parties, or need a functional display table for indoor events, this will serve you well. What people say. The table is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The surface is durable and easy to clean. Number 2. Stakmore Classic Solid Wood Folding Card Table. Experience elevated hosting with this versatile table. Crafted from high-quality solid wood, it ensures long-lasting durability and a timeless aesthetic. Its timeless straight-edge design adds a touch of elegance to any space. It enhances the ambience of your home decor effortlessly. This table folds to a mere 3.375 inches deep. This allows for convenient storage in closets, under beds, or against walls when not in use. Enjoy the convenience of immediate use without the hassle of assembly. You can focus on your gatherings and games right away. When open, it provides ample space for various activities, measuring 29.5 inches in height, 32 inches in width, and 32 inches in depth. When folded, it becomes compact for easy storage. What we like? Want a touch of elegance and solid craftsmanship for your indoor activities? This features premium solid wood construction and a timeless design. If you enjoy card games, need a stylish side table for intimate gatherings, or appreciate furniture that stores away discreetly, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The table is very sturdy and stable, even when fully loaded. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The surface is durable and easy to clean. Number 1. FanttikOutdoor Zeta X4 Pro Folding Table. Introducing the FanttikOutdoor Zeta X4 Pro. Adjusting its height is incredibly simple. Just lift the tabletop or press the yellow button to lower it instantly, making it easy for anyone to use. Safety is paramount with this table. It features an auto-fixing lock that secures the tabletop upon unfolding, eliminating the need for manual adjustments and preventing accidental finger pinches. Adapted to any situation with 4 height settings, 22, 24, 29, and 34 inches. It's perfect for a variety of indoor activities or as your go-to table for outdoor events. Crafted from premium HDPE, this table is built to last. It's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and features a robust steel frame with non-slip pads for exceptional stability and floor protection. When not in use, it folds down compactly. With side locks and a convenient carry handle, it's easy to transport and store, fitting neatly in tight spaces. What we like? Need a table that adapts to various needs and heights effortlessly? This offers quick, intuitive height adjustments and automatic locking for safety and convenience. If you're looking for a versatile table for indoor crafts, outdoor picnics, or even as a portable dining surface, its adaptability makes it ideal. What people say. The table is sturdy and stable, even when holding heavy items. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The surface is durable and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.